Yildiz here. I'd like to talk to you about family constellations. Now, I am a family constellation facilitator and trainer and have been since 2005. So that is a major part of my work. And a lot of my work in developing rapid core healing comes out of my understanding and deep experience of the family constellation process. Understanding what it is that we as human beings most need in order to heal, most need in order to improve our worthiness and improve our relationships and come to a better place within ourselves of our life situation, whatever that happens to be. So family constellations, even though I have developed rapid core healing and emotional mind integration, remains pretty central to my thinking in rapid core healing. So I hold family constellations in workshops in Brisbane, Melbourne and Sydney. So you just need to look at the workshop calendar if you would like to witness a constellation. You can come as a representative or observer for a lower cost, or you can come and do your own constellation in a family constellation workshop. So that's one way of doing it. The other way of doing it is by coming to a private session. Now, a private session of family constellations is just that. You can come in person to me in Brisbane and I'll conduct a private session with you. This can also take place online. So location is not an issue here. It's actually available to everyone. So family constellations is a modality or a way of working that looks at you as a product of your family system. Now that doesn't make you helpless, absolutely not. However, there are some deep patterns that might well be holding you back, which a family constellations process can help release you from, so that you are freer then to make your own choices about how you live your life. And of course, we as modern human beings like to think of ourselves as autonomous and powerful and making our own choices. And yet we do carry lots of patterns deeply within us, which we might not even notice until we get to certain stages of our life where we notice that perhaps we're always attracting a particular kind of situation or person into our life. Or perhaps we find our children acting out patterns we thought we'd got rid of ages ago because we had made a vow that we wouldn't do what had happened to us, to our children, and yet it seems to be transferred through the family system until we can actually sort it out and resolve it. A family constellation is perfect for that, and this includes all relational issues, all personal self-esteem issues, blocks to success, career issues, blocks to wellness issues. So family constellations is a perfect modality for modern men and women who really want to go to that next stage of personal development. Often, many people get to family constellations as a last call because they've already done lots of coaching or therapy or many different modalities and workshops and still haven't quite got to the crux of where they need to get. And often a family constellation will do that. So please look at family constellations, look at your options, and hopefully I will see you soon. Now you can ask me any questions via the website, rapidcorehealing.com contact page, or you can go directly to familyconstellations.com.au, which is a much bigger site giving you much more information on family constellations. I also have 3 books that you might want to look at in terms of family constellations because they're through each of those books too. Okay, so hopefully I will see you soon. Yildiz.